How to use ProWritingAid for free. First, open up ProWritingAid. You can find the link in the description below. Once you're on the home page, click the Get Started button to proceed. Now, you have two options to sign up. You can either create a new account or sign up using your Google or Facebook account. Choose whichever option is most convenient for you. After signing up, the system will redirect you to the next page. Here, you need to choose the type of writer that best describes you. Just click the downward arrow and select from the list provided. Once you've made your selection, click the Get Started button to continue. Next, you need to choose where you want to install ProWritingAid. You can opt for either the Chrome extension or the Windows application. For this tutorial, I'll be installing the Chrome extension. And then click Add to Chrome. If prompted, click Add Extension to complete the installation. After you have been redirected to the ProWritingAid page, simply click on the ProWritingAid logo. From here, click the Get Started button again, and you will be taken to the editing page of the website. On the editing page, you can edit your text or paragraph to correct its grammar. Let me show you how it's done. Simply type or paste your text into the editor. You'll notice colored lines appearing below your text. These lines indicate potential grammar errors. To correct the grammar errors, just hover your cursor over the underlined text. A correction menu will pop up, showing you alternative words or suggestions. Choose the appropriate rewrite, or if you're confident in your original selection, you can ignore it. On the right side of your screen, you'll see your text's goals and improvements percentage. This allows you to assess the overall grammar and spelling accuracy of your content. Once you've corrected all the grammar and spelling errors, you can grab the corrected text, copy it, and use it wherever you need.